2 minus 2 times 2 minus 2, which equals how much? Are you ready to solve the correct answer of this expression? Let's get started, okay? 2 minus 2 is 0, and 2 minus 2 here is also 0. Then 0 times 0, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, first you have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction, okay? Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction, okay? In this expression, there is one multiplication here, one subtraction, and one subtraction, okay? According to PEMDAS, first we have to do this multiplication and this subtraction, and finally this subtraction, okay? If we do this subtraction or this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. Okay, therefore first we have to do this multiplication. 2 times 2, which equals 4. Then here 2 minus 4 minus 2, okay? So in this expression there is 2 subtractions, okay? According to the order of operation, if there is only subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right, okay? Therefore this subtraction has higher priority than this subtraction, okay? Therefore 2 minus 4, which equals negative 2, then minus 2, okay? Negative 2 minus 2, which equals negative 4. This is the correct answer of this problem. The final answer of this problem equals to negative 4. Follow the above step and please calculate the correct answer of this expression, okay? 3 minus 3 times 3 minus 3. And put your answer on the comment section. I am waiting there. Thank you.